Here is step 1 of 6 to complete the Rubik's Cube. If you watch the introduction, you'll know that the center squares don't move. So we're not just going to do a side, we have to make a layer. We're going to start the layer by making a cross. Let's have the red side on top, and now let's find the red subcubes and move them into place. Look, this is white, so it doesn't belong on this side. We have to move it around. Everything lines up with the center squares. This one has to move to the green side. If the red faces down, turn it across and bring it back up. Here we have the correct subcube in the correct location, but it's the wrong way around. We can fix that with an easy algorithm. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. And here's the mnemonic. Fiona understands like Yui. Now let's review making the cross again, this time using the mnemonic. If we're making a red cross, we find the red subcubes. If the red faces down, turn it across and bring it back up. Even if it doesn't match up, we have our algorithm. Fiona understands like Yui. Everything lines up with the center squares. And now we can move on to step 2.